Are you gonna smile for Mommy? Are you gonna smile? Huh? Come on. You just want to wave the arms around, huh? You just gotta wave the arms. It's like you're going backstroke. You doing the backstroke? You swimming? Are you swimming? Huh? Boop. I don't know what you're looking at. Tickle, tickle, tickle. Tickle, tickle, tickle. Tickle, 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 tickle. You're smiling. Yes, you are. It's not a full smile. Yes. It's like a half smile. Yeah. Let me see the half smile. Come on. You smiling. Come on, smile. Blah, blah, blah. Beep. What is it? You're looking in the camera. Ooh. Ooh. Yeah. Ooh. Alright, I think we're done with the smiling part. Hey, Sierra, say hi. 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 Here she is. She's coming to see her brother. Look how good she is with him. Yeah, say hi to your brother. Yeah. Yeah, yes, you're such a nice girl. Alright, and there's Ringo. He doesn't say hi though. Bye.